Magandang hapon po ng Sunday, April 7, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Sunday, April 7, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 7, 2024 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Sunday, April 7, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 56 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos for April 7, 2024 Sunday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Sunday, April 7, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.